Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique. Today we're just going to see how to repost a video on your Instagram account. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to repost the video on your Instagram account, I'm just going to show in this video. To repost your video on your Instagram account, for example, I just uploaded one or two videos in my account. So you can see this is a video. It's a normal a horizontal video. I just need to repost this video, so just do this option. So just refresh this first and just go to the video option. Now you can find the repost option on here. So now just click on this, the repost option. Now your video has been reposted on your Instagram account. Now you just go to the repost tab and you can find the video has been reposted. So this is way that you can just repost any videos on your Instagram account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off for It May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.